My name is Sam Poplawski.
And my name's Addie Burnwood.
Today is Tuesday, September 24th, 2019.
It is E-Day.
News for today.
There will be reading practice in Ms. Cook's classroom tomorrow after school until 4:45. Please remember to bring a note stating that you are staying after school.
Attention all 6th grade students. Yearbook covers for the Richland Elementary 2020 Little Ram yearbook covers are due today. Late submissions will not be accepted.
The Richland High School and Richland Elementary Student Council would like to invite elementary students and staff to participate in Richland Homecoming Spirit Week, beginning Monday, September 30th to Friday, October 4th. Show your school spirit by dressing up during the week.
Monday will be Pajama Day.
Tuesday will be Sharp Dress Day.
Wednesday will be Dress Like a Friend Day.
Thursday will be Disney Day.
And Friday will be Red and Blue Day.
Today will be day 1 for 5th and 6th grade band, orchestra, and chorus. Lesson groups will be 5th grade woodwinds and violin, and 6th grade clarinets and viola. Don't forget to bring your instruments.
Let's take it out to Anna and Maddie for today's weather.
Good morning, Ram Nation.
We are going to have a nice, cool, cloudy day today. Maybe the sun will peek through. The high will be near 65.
Tonight we will have partially cloudy skies with a low near 50. Let's head back into Suni and Addie for the rest of today's news.
Today's lunch is toasted cheese sandwich walking taco.
Or a walking taco. Toasted cheese sandwich or a walking
Toasted cheese sandwich?
Just say toasted cheese.
Okay, let's redo that. Today's lunch is toasted cheese sandwich or walking taco.
Wednesday's lunch is chicken patty on a bun or macaroni and cheese with a dinner roll.
Wednesday is A Day. Thank you, study hard, treat others with respect, and have a tremendous Tuesday. Let's continue to build our chain reaction of kindness. And remember, we are respectful, accountable, motivated, and safe. We are the Rams. Homecoming. Yes.
Hi, I'm Riley Roberts, and today I'll be asking teachers questions about 9/11. First up is Mrs. Deneny. How old were you during 9/11?
I was 11 years old.
What were you doing whenever this was happening?
I was in 6th grade at Richland Middle School, eating lunch when I had found out that there had been an emergency.
Thank you for answering our questions.
You're welcome.
Mrs. Wadlucky, how old were you during 9/11?
I was a student in 9th grade at Richland High School.
What were you doing?
I was in French class.
How did you find out this happened?
Our teacher told us, and the principal came over the loudspeaker to let us know.
Thank you.
Sure. Have a great day.
You too. Now I'm here with Mr. Fanek. How old were you during 9/11?
I was 34 years old.
What were you doing?
Well, I was living in Hawaii at the time, and there is a 5-hour time difference between New York and Hawaii. So I was just waking up at around 5 a.m. to get ready for school, and I turned the Today Show on, and I heard Katie Couric and Matt Lauer talking about towers that had fallen in New York City. So by the time I had woken up, it was around 10 o'clock New York time, and both of the towers had already fallen.
Well, thank you for answering these questions.
Thank you for asking.
Here we are with Mr. Day. How old were you during 9/11?
How old?
Yes.
Too old to remember. No, I would have been probably about 22. I was in my last year of teaching, student teaching.
So you were just told to turn on the news, and then you just found out through that?
Yeah, it started that morning. Some of the students were actually being called out of the class, and we weren't sure why. Here, parents were coming to pick them up due to all the events that were happening. So that's kind of how we found out. Like I said, a neighboring teacher came over. We turned on the news, and we started watching it. And by the end of the day, we had about only 3 or 4 students left in our entire class.
Well, thank you for answering these questions.
Sure. Thanks for having me.